Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install VirtualBox. It's a beginning of a series which I'm trying to share my knowledge about this virtual environment. Um, VirtualBox is one of the open source tool which we can use for a virtualized environment to test different kind of operating systems, such as maybe we can start from XP 7, 8, 10, maybe Linux different kind of distributions, and even nowadays we can install and test Android on it. Even we can try some other tools. But I'll go through those tools later. But today I'm going to start with how to download and install the VirtualBox. And in the next video, I'm trying to come to you with installing operating system in and do the basic setup. Okay, let's get start with the download. So I'm going to search for VirtualBox. Okay, so it's a open source tool which we no need to pay any money for license or anything. So we just can download and use it. You can see like when I go to the VirtualBox website, I can download it for Windows host. So here I can save this file. Actually, I have saved this file before, so I'm not going to do it right now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to install from the software I already downloaded. And you can see here it's a VirtualBox 6.0.4, which is the latest software version at the moment. So we can start installing. So I'll start to install as administrator. It will be pretty basic to set up this one. Okay, it's preparing to install. uh, we have to just say next, next, next. No need to think much about it, but after the installation, we'll have to look at some features. But at the moment, it just the installation part is something pretty basic. Okay, it's asking me to install serial bus, some additional software. So I'll just say yes for that. And now I'm almost done here. I can see the shortcut, it's already created. Let me wait for the finish. Okay, the software installation is finished. So let me start the software and see the interface. And then we can go ahead with the configuration in the next video. Okay, so that's it. The VirtualBox manager is ready. From here I can click and I can create a new machine. Um, or otherwise, if I already have the virtual machines, I can import here. Um, uh, Nothing much to go through this one. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I'll come with another video for the installation of operating system. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.